Para sa lahat ng mga may hinihintay. Minsan nakakainip, minsan nakakapangamba, minsan mapapaisip ka kung para sa'yo talaga. Kasi kung para sa'yo, dahil parang ang layo-layo pa, ginagawa mo naman ang lahat para makuha. Ang hirap, di ba? That is why it is important that while you wait, you have faith. Because one thing that faith will teach you is that in God, you are never too early. You are never too late. You are just right in time. Baka kaya hindi pa binibigay sa'yo kasi inihahanda pa ang puso mo. Baka kaya hindi pa binibigay sa'yo kasi inaayos pa ang buhay mo. No matter what the reason is, if it's God's plan for you, it will be for you. So keep the faith because best things are worth the wait. God bless.